Hello everyone, this is Justin from 2866 Robotics, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a string into a int. Now, this realistically shouldn't happen to you, but for the sake of knowing it, I'm going to teach you, and in whatever case, if you do actually end up using this, this will be helpful. And it's good to know how to convert variables into other variables. So if I wanted to print S1 plus S2, it would just come out as 12. But I wanted to come out as 3. So what we need to do is convert S1 and S2 into ints. So let's create a int, and then let's call this result. And result would be S1 plus S2. However, this won't work. This is still a string. It is a string that equals 12. And we cannot use a string as an input for an int. So what we will do is integer dot parse int parentheses, and we'll do it again, integer dot parse int. And what this is a function. This is a function called parse int, and it's coming from a class that's built into Java called integer. And this function, parse int, takes in a string as its input. And for an input, you see, we insert a string. And what it does is take that string and gives it back as an int. And of course, this would get a bit goofy if we did this. I don't think it would work if it was letters, but since we were actually using values that are equal to a int, or would be equal to an int, and we're putting it into integer.parseInt, it will then convert these into integers, and then since we have two integers, we can add them together. The result will be an integer, and int will actually be an integer, and it won't give me an error message. So we can see this. Let's print this out, system.out.println, and then result. And what you might notice is that println is also a function. It is a function of system and systems out, and then println is the function. And this is also a class that's built into most versions of Java. So now let's run this, and we should get 3. There we go.